Today I'm going to be sharing my favorite easy kimchi recipe. I start by chopping up my Napa cabbage. Typically it is chopped a bit coarser than how I chop mine, but I just like mine a little bit smaller. Then you're going to soak it with water and some salt for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and stirring it occasionally to make sure it's all mixed up. Also make sure to put a plate over top of everything just to make sure everything is submerged. Once it's done, you'll just want to rinse it thoroughly a few times. All the other ingredients will basically just go into your food processor, so I'm going to start with garlic. I break it up and mince it and add it to that. Then I'll grate up some fresh ginger and add some green onions. Then I'll coarsely chop up and add half a yellow onion. Then you can grate some carrots and radishes and add that as well. Then you'll take some water, sweet rice flour, and a little bit of sugar, and cook that over medium-low heat until it starts to bubble and thicken. Then you can add that to the food processor as well as some fish sauce and your Korean red pepper flakes, and blend all of those ingredients together until mostly smooth. Then you'll add this to your Napa cabbage and mix it together. This works best with disposable gloves, but I only had a spoon on hand, so I just did that. Seal it up in an airtight container and leave in a dry, cool space for a couple days. Once you see bubbles forming, you can move it into your fridge, and then you can enjoy over the course of a couple weeks.